record muna tayo. Wow! Dami natin tonight. We are almost 200 in participants tonight, which will be talk about trade execution. Ipapakita namin sa inyo yung trade execution. Screen share namin yung MT5 namin na cellphone. Ipapakita namin sa inyo how to. Okay, how to trade. So paano yan? So tonight's trade execution will be handled by Coach GL, which Coach GL talaga yung nag-handle ng group coaching natin regularly for new traders. Siya yung nagtuturo ng usually ng mga bago. So na-specialize siya sa group coaching and also coaching. By the way, yung nag-testimony kanina, si Ma'am Marichu, is personally coached by Coach JL na rin. So nakita niyo naman yung testimony niya na inaral yung ni Ma'am Marichu for 2 weeks yung trade, and then after that nag-trade siya for after a month, nag-profit siya ng more than 100,000. Pero ang na-withdraw niya is 96,000. Siguro nagtira siya ng 100 USD para pang capital na rin niya. So imagine, guys, imagine. All right? So yan yung isi-share namin sa inyo tonight. Who's excited? Can you drop number 5 if you're excited tonight? Drop number 5 if you're excited tonight. Okay. But guys, move on lang muna tayo. Move on lang. Let's just say, alam mo na kung paano after this webinar, alam mo na kung paano mag-buy, paano mag-sell, alam mo na paano mag-execute ng trades using your cellphone into your MT5. Let's just say, move forward, alam mo na. Okay? Alam mo na mag-open ng trade, you buy, you sell, you modify with your SL. Anong ibig sabihin ng SL? You modify with your TP. Anong ibig sabihin ng TP? Let's just say, alam mo na. Okay, let's just say, alam mo na. Now, my question is, yung tanong ko is, the new big question is, paano mo ipanalo ang trade mo? That's the question. Because it's one thing when you know how to trade, and it's another thing when you know how to win. Because obviously, if you don't know how to win, you're going to do the opposite direction. Are you with me? Sinong gustong maging mapanalo or a winner or a victorious or mataas yung win rate? No, you can type win if you want. Win ako. Okay. So that's the question. So before ko ituturo namin sa inyo paano mag-execute, ituturo namin muna sa inyo kung paano ka manalo using our strategies na ginagamit namin sa community. I-reveal namin sa inyo tonight ano yung mga strategies na ginagamit namin as a whole para kapag ka alam mo na kung paano mag-trade, ito ay magagamit mo para makapaggawa ng yung trading strategy, and you can create your winning formula and you can have a consistent winning. Is that okay with you tonight? You will start first with the strategy. Kasi po, kapag ka nagturo na kami, after you know how to trade, alam ko mawawala na yung focus kasi most of you are nakafocus na sa paano mag-trade. So tonight, we'll be sharing to you our strategies, our tools, and our cheat codes in Forex trading. Kung paano namin ginawa, bakit maraming nagsishare ng mga screenshots nila. Grabe kanina, guys. Imagine niyo kanina, si Ma'am Jed, yung from UAE, that I interviewed her 2 weeks ago na nag-withdraw siya ng 2,500 na profit niya. Okay? And then the other day, nag-screenshot siya. Pinakita ko kagabi na for 1 day, kumita siya ng 744 USD or around 42,000. Guys, kanina nag-screenshot na naman siya. At eto na. Is it okay? Do I have your permission na isi-share mo namin sa inyo yung strategies at cheat codes bago namin kayo turuan kung paano mag-execute para tuloy-tuloy na. After you know how to execute, you can do your demo na. Okay? So, sure. Okay lang ba? So, if that's okay, can I have a thumbs up or a yes or okay? Okay. Are you excited? Okay. So, let me start. Grabe. Almost 200 participants tonight. Wait, i-ano ko muna yung para hindi makapagsulat. Alright, alright, alright. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. There we go. Importante ito guys na malaman nyo because in the trading world, 95% of new traders, they lose money. Mawawalan. Mawawalan. 95% of new traders mawawalan. In fact, tonight, ang expected ko is kahapon, kung may, yung audience natin kahapon is 200 plus, ang expected ko tonight is ang babalik is 50% lang. Kasi hindi talaga ito para sa lahat. At hindi pwede talaga lahat maging mayaman. You agree with me? Hindi pwede lahat pwedeng maging mayaman. Do you know that in the Philippines, according to research, yung taong tinatawag na mayaman is yung taong kumikita ng more than 200,000 in 1 month. More than 200,000. Ay, mayaman na pala tayo ni. More than 200,000 in 1 month. Okay? But do you know that that's only 1% of the population or less, and that is a shocking news. That's why I already understand na hindi lahat ng mga tao open, hindi lahat ng mga tao somehow na gustong yumaman kasi sa ngayon, imposible ka hindi yumaman kasi lahat ng opportunity nasa inyo na. Especially the digital age. You are in the digital age. Mayroon akong training yan. The wealth creation in the digital age. Ibabalik ko yan para maintindihan nyo. Ang dali lang yumaman ngayon with this digital age. Kahit wala kang physical store. Are you agreeing with me? Now, my question is, because you're here tonight, who wants to be part of the 1% rich population in the Philippines? Can you type 1? Or can you type me? Who wants to be part? Grabe, no? Sabi ko nga, kung babalik lang, kung nag-attend kahapon, pabalik ngayon, more than 50%, masaya na ako because I already understand na hindi lahat pwedeng maging mayaman. Mahirap siguro kung mayaman na tayo lahat. Wala na tayong mapag-utusan. Wala na tayong empleyado. Ang hirap. Okay? So, hindi lahat. So, thank you sa mga hindi nag-join. Thank you sa mga nag-left the group. Thank you sa mga nag-close mind kasi this is not for them, but this is for you. Okay. This is for you. 200 na. Nag-monitor talaga si Rex. So, 200 na. Alright. Guys, sinasabi ko na 95% of this, because hindi sila nagsusurvive. Kasi wala silang strategy, wala silang tools. I myself, with my first 4 years in Forex trading, hindi ako nag-survive kasi na-wipe out ako. 4 years. Back then, wala pang community. Back then, wala pang nagtuturo ng Forex. Mayroon mga mahal na mga courses yung mga foreigner. Back then, walang mga cheat codes, walang mga tools na pwede namin gamitin. Back then, meron ng AI, but napakamahal. Kailangan ka 200,000 to 400,000 para makapag-start ka ng AI trading. So ngayon, it's very easy na. So i-reveal namin sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa namin sa community na tinatawag namin cheat codes in Forex trading. Ang ibig sabihin ho ng cheat codes is galing ito sa mga gamer community. Yung mahirap na game, yung mahirap na challenge, yung mahirap na i-survive, mayroon siyang cheat code para madali na lang. Sa mga programmer din, ginagamit din itong cheat codes para madali na lang. So I want to be honest with you that Forex, it's not easy. But it's doable. Lalo na kung mayroon tinatawag na cheat code. Lalo na nakagaya mo na you're willing to learn, you're willing to explore, gusto mong, you are hungry, no? Na mayroon kang, natuwa ko sa word ko. That you are hungry, na mayroon kang gustong mabago sa financial status mo sa buhay. So ito na yung cheat codes in Forex trading. Some of the secret and strategies na ginagawa namin sa inyo. Reveal namin ito tonight. Alright. Number 1 cheat code guys is itong tinatawag natin na live trading. Sa community, especially sa VIP community, mayroon kaming access sa master trader Now, almost 20 years in trading industry. Actually, he is not just a trader, but he is an economist. But kung titingnan mo guys, based by following him for more than 6 months na, natatalo ba siya? Yes. Pero nakita ko siya natalo siguro mga 3 times lang. Ang win rate is napakataas. If you're going to master about scalping, then you need to understand this one. Because I myself, dito ko, for how many years, dito ko naintindihan kung ano yung scalping. Yung nag-a-attend ako sa live trade. Guys, hindi ito biro mag-live trade. Kasi kapag ka natalo ka, anong tawag dun sa Tagalog? Kung sa Bisaya pa, maulawan ka. Help me guys. Ha? Mapahiya. Kung matalo ka, mapahiya ka. Hindi yung walang hiya. Kung natalo ka, walang hiya ka. Hindi naman mapahiya. Di ba? Hindi basta-basta yon. But he's doing it consistently every night. So, ibig sabihin na master niya talaga, guys. And then when you master it, nakikita mo kung paano niya ginawa, ano yung setup niya. Here is an example of the picture. I was joining. So, dalawa yung gagawin mo dito, guys. Mag-aral ka at mag-trade ka. Sabay ka sa kanya. And guess what, guys? Tiningnan ko lang. I never had a very, tinatawag nito, very consistent profitability in trading since na nag-follow ako sa kanya. Okay? So, live trading sessions, guys, mayroon tayong access sa isa sa pinakamagaling na scalper sa Dubai or sa Middle East. So, papasok tayo dyan sa kanya every 9:30 p.m. Doon sa mga VIP, sa part ng mga VIP community. Alright, ito si Abdallah Harfoch. Okay. So, live trading sessions. So, because of live trading sessions, guys, I was able, nakikita nyo naman yung medyo matagal na sa GC, I was able to consistently post my profit even if every day talaga. So, kahapon, even if may busy ako, kasi ang scalping, you only need like 10 minutes. Even if busy ako. Guys, tingnan nyo. Di ba last night nag-webinar tayo? Okay. Tingnan mo yung date. 25/03/27. Last night. Nag-trade ako. Okay? After that, siguro nasa mga 10 p.m. na 11 p.m. kasi daming naghingi sa akin ng mga link dun sa VT Markets. So, nag-trade ako. So, this is my result. Tingnan nyo yung date, guys. Backtrack tayo ng konti. 0.26. The day before that. Okay? The day before that. Ito yung profit ko. Very consistent. The next day. Okay? Tingnan nyo. 03/26/25. Ito yung profit ko. 23. 24. Consistent. Ito yung profit ko. Okay? So, 21, 22 and 23 weekend. 20 and 21, ito yung profit ko. Guys, nakita nyo how consistent it is if you master this strategy. Basic na lang ang 100 USD in one day. Sino gusto ditong basic lang? Basic na lang ang 100 USD in one day. Magkano yung capital? Wrong question. Wrong question. Kasi we can put a lot of capital if you want. Kung marami. Ang question is, anong ginawa ko? Kasi it's easy to put capital, but it's not easy to win consistently. So, wrong question yung magkano yung capital. Guys, you can start 100. Don't look at me kasi matagal na ako sa trading at may capital ako. Look at yourself. Start with 100 USD. Master your strategy and eventually you will grow your money or pwede kang mag-scale eventually. Madali na lang guys yung capital kapag alam mo na kung paano gawin. And the contrary, kahit malaki yung capital mo, kung wala kang tools, please, kung hindi pa kakasali sa VIP community namin, please, do yourself a favor. Huwag kang mag-live trade kasi delikado yung capital mo, especially if you are new o hindi mo pa alam. So that's the result of live trade. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung paano na-improve yung trading ko, kung paano siya naging consistent gamit ang gamit ang live trading sessions with Abdallah. That's number one. Number 2, guys, is we use a harmonic pattern, AI pattern scanner. Now, this is good for those people na gusto talaga magtingin sa chart. Not everyone gusto. But eventually, along the way, if you want to be really a good trader, is titingin ka talaga sa chart. Now, kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga patterns, it will help you. Hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung paano mo i-execute yung sa trading view. So this one is very good for you kasi meron na siyang indicator, meron na siyang mga support and resistance na kay AI lahat din na meron na siyang mga pattern. Ang tawag nito is AI Pattern Scanner Manara. So I just made a screenshot just yesterday. Tingnan nyo lang yung binigay niya yesterday, guys. Yesterday, March 27. Okay, yesterday. March 27, guys, with the GBP USD na binigay niya, guys, na scan niya. Nagbigay siya ng isang bat pattern. Pumasok sa entry zone, buy signal, M5. M5 meaning to say 5 minutes every candle. Halimbawa, dito ka nag-entry. So, nag-entry ka. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle. 20 minutes, nakuha mo na yung TP1 mo. TP1 or target 1 or target 2. Nakuha mo na. Ito yung binigay niya. So, kuha yung TP at saka SL, maglagay din siya ng SL. So, that's the beauty kung mayroon kang, guys, kung magti-trade kayo, please use tools. Kasi tools are very important. These are tools. Karpentero nga, dapat may tools. Mason, dapat may tools. Electrician, dapat may tools. Hindi yun, I'm sorry for the word, but this is a high-paying skills compared to that one. So, dapat may tools ka. Kasi dito, kagaya kanina, yung testimony kanina, pwede kang kumita ng 100,000 in 1 month. No, using the tools. So, wag kang maghinayang mag-invest sa tools because tools here could make you easier and can save your capital. Okay. Another screenshots? Oh. Ibalik ko lang. Gusto ko maipakita talaga yung another screenshots ko. Wait, here. Another in screenshots. Okay, here. Okay. There's another screenshot, guys, na... Are you still there? Nandyan pa ba kayo? Okay. Can you type amazing? If you are still there, you're amazing. Amazing. Okay. Another screenshot, guys, na ginagamit namin, guys, is itong, the same. Same lang. Same screenshot. Again, same date. March 27. Kahapon. XAU. Kaway-kaway yung mga mahilig sa XAU dyan. XAU USD, guys. Nagbigay siya ng isang pattern. Okay? Na dito sa entry zone, dito ka pumasok. Guys, may training nito, guys. May training nito kapag ka nag-enroll kayo. May training. I'll promise you. Ang training nito, guys, napakarami kung gusto mo ma-master talaga. So, it's like any tools, kailangan mo lang siyang aralin. So, dito ka pumasok. Kuhang-kuha, target 1, bang. Target 2, bang. Very accurate. Nag-retain ng konti, pero very accurate. Kuha yung talagang target. Kasi guys, AI na yung mag-analyze. AI na yung mag-scan ng patterns. Remember that the chart is made up of 70 to 80% patterns. So yun yung number 2 na cheat code natin. Sa dalawa na yun, live trade. This one is good for day trading. This one is good for yung kanina yung live trading, that's good for scalping. This one is good for day trading. Okay, day trading. So ito yung ginamit kanina, yung in-interview namin si Ma'am Marichu from Cebu. Ito na ngayon yung kinita niya sa March, but when she started trading, first month niya, kumita siya ng 100,000 at naka-withdraw siya ng 96,000. 96,000 na withdraw niya. Okay? Alright. Another, guys, is expert trading signal. So if you don't know to analyze, and then if you don't like the live trading, this is an option for you. This one is i-copy paste mo lang yung binigay ng mga expert natin from Telegram, and also we have Solex. Sila na yung mag-analyze para sa'yo, i-copy paste mo na lang. Guys, this is not like any others free and cheap signals. Huwag kayong maniwala sa mga ganyan, maraming nasusunugan dyan. Even this one, if you're using this one, I still encourage you to learn para ma-analyze mo because this is a day trade signal. So this is not scalping. That this will give you to jumpstart kung hindi mo pa talaga kung saan magsimula. When to buy, when to sell. Yes, alam ko na kung paano mag-buy. Alam ko na kung paano mag-sell. Pero saan ko ilalagay? When? Kailan ako mag-TP? Kailan ako mag-start? So this is perfect for you, especially for those who are newbie. Marami din yung paldo-paldo dito. Mataas yung win rate dito, guys. 70% yung win rate kasi ang expert na yung mag-trade. Mag-analyze para sa'yo. Alright? The next, guys, is what we call the academy. Number 4. So, please, if you want to be profitable in trading, you need to learn. Ito yung reason na na-realize ko, guys, na bakit ako malaki yung talo ko before kasi hindi ako nag-invest sa learning. Hindi ako nag-invest sa academy. So one of the biggest mistake you can do in trading is not to invest in proper learning. Maraming libre, guys, pero hindi sa YouTube, pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsimula. At hindi ka sure kung effective ba yun or just a clickbait lang yun or binibentahan ka lang. So you don't know. At least this one is we have basic, proper education, advanced, and you have masterclass. You can access this one. So mayroon tayong roadmap if you start in trading. Yes, mayroon tayong mga tools na pwede mong gamitin. You can start without learning, but I still encourage you, if you want to be consistent, profitable, kailangan mo talagang aralin. Alright? And number 5, guys, is we have chart mastery. Chart mastery is exclusive sa VIP community natin every Saturday. Last Saturday, we talk about gold scalping strategies. Chart mastery, guys, is more on the art of technical analysis. Aralin mo yung technical analysis, guys. Kahit anong strategies na ibibigay sa'yo. Are you going for scalping? More on support and resistance ka ba? Price action ka ba? Ano ba yung strategies na ibibigay sa'yo? Okay? Madali mong maintindihan lahat ng strategies kapag kaalam mo yung anong analysis. So very important for me, this is like a foundation in your forex trading. Kaya binigay namin sa inyo, this is naman Tagalog version. And lahat ng mga trainings may record. So in case you miss some of the episodes, so you can ask, if you enroll, automatic ibibigay namin ito sa inyo. So you can start from a very good foundation in your trading journey. Alright, so chart mastery. Ito yung inaral kanina ng kahapon, I think na-play ko yung video niya kanina, na si Ma'am Jedalyn from Dubai. Okay? So, nag-screenshot siya. Bagong-bago pa. March 26, guys. Imagine. March 26 pa lang. 4 hours lang sa pagtitrade, guys. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya nag-duty. Nag-absent daw siya kasi may ubo siya. Pero since trading is life, nag-trade siya. Nag-trade siya for 4 hours. Kumita lang naman siya ng 42K. 42K, guys. 42K. In just 4 hours. Sabi ko, ma'am, huwag ka nang mag-duty everyday. Kasi kaya-kaya mo na. Wow. Always be thankful. Uncle Coach Nunoy, shout out for sharing the winning strategies at ibang coaches. Coach Nars, Coach Engineer Greenchill. Kasi ito is na-learn niya doon sa chart mastery sa training natin. So you never lose if you learn. Ito yung pinakasikreto talaga. 200 participants na pala tayo. Alright? Guys, guess what? Kanina, di ba dito is March 26. Kanina, nag-send siya sa community namin ng withdrawals niya. So nag-withdraw siya, guys, ng 2 beses ng 1,000. Okay? So kung proof lang yung hinahanap mo, sobra-sobra tayo, guys. In fact, sa GC, alam mo na minsan, I know yung iba na ano yun na yung mga pagbibigay namin ng mga proof or result. But if I were you, kung gusto mo maging profitable, gusto mo makaresulta, sumama ka sa community na may maraming resulta. Alright? Sinong gusto magkaroon ng resulta? Okay. Resulta. Sumama ka sa community na may maraming resulta. Guys, imaginein mo. Imaginein mo. Friday is withdrawal day, sabi niya. Secured 2,000 USD in 1 week. The power of forex trading with economy chart mastery series. Ed bumarak to all. Kasi sa UAE, alam naman ang culture nila doon. Guys, 1 week na withdraw siya 114. So consistent ito, si Ma'am Jed is officially nasama na siya sa rich. Kasi sa Philippines pa yung kita mo 200,000 pataas, rich na yung category mo. So from rags to riches. Wow, imagine. Guys, kung nangyari sa kanya, walang dahilan na hindi mangyari sa'yo. Pero kung nakita mo yung interview, guys, isabi talaga niya, inaral talaga niya. So chart mastery, mayroon ka ng access. So chart mastery, hindi lang yung technical analysis, may mga strategies yun, lalo na episode 5 and episode 6. Aside from that, meron tayong XAU Gold Scalping Strategy that courtesy of Coach Uncle Noel Nonoy. Nakasama din ito sa chart mastery na ibibigay namin sa inyo. Guys, the reason why na mayroon kang ibibigay namin ito sa inyo kasi for you to be profitable in forex trading, your first goal is to develop your winning strategy. Yes, alam mo na. Paano mag-trade, paano mag-buy. Paano kung hindi winning? So it's not profitable. So for you to be continuously profitable, kailangan ka mag-develop ng strategy. So either you develop on your own, which it took a lot of time, 6 months to 2 years to develop, or you just copy yung ano yun yung strategy na effective para madali na lang. Bakit kailangan madali na lang? Siyempre gusto mong madaling kumita ng dollar. Bakit madali na lang? Because if you're experimenter, I'm not saying you don't experiment, you also do trial and error. But guys, if you do trial and error, trust me, it will cost you a lot of capital. Uulitin ko, it will cost you a lot of capital. So just copy our strategy, copy and cheat codes, and you just need to master the timing and understand the technical analysis, and that's it, then you're good to go. All right? So other than that, AI trading, kung hindi ka gusto talaga mag-aral, kung gusto mo talagang wala ka lang gagawin, so we have AI trading for you. So we have, this one is fully automated. So kung gusto mo malaman about AI trading, message ka lang dun sa group chat. Nag-send ako kami ng video para sa inyo. Kasi this will take us a lot of time to understand. But kanina may nagsabi sa akin, nagtawag siya, si Sir Jeff, na paano ba magdagdag. Kasi sa first month niya is happy siya sa result. Paano ba, pwede ba daw dagdagan ng malaki? Sabi ko, yes, pwede. Kasi happy siya sa result. So nagdagdag siya ito sa Wealth Gainer. Alright? So other than that, guys, meron tayong tinatawag na group coaching. The moment you enroll every Friday, tonight dapat group coaching. Pero this is considered na rin as group coaching kasi tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-trade. So every Friday talagang lahat ng mga traders may group coaching. How to yung basic steps. Paano pindutin, kung paano i-access, ituturo namin sa inyo. When one of our best coaches, one of the best coach, si Coach GL Nika, siya lang naman yung nag-coach kay Sir Eman, yung 67 years old, na consistent, profitable. Si Coach Eman, Tito Eman, na naging, naging coach na at naging tito na kasi nagtuturo na din siya. Okay, so those are part of my inner circle. Okay, may inner circle pala ako, guys. Okay, so aside from that, we also have communities. Actually, marami itong picture. Okay, ito, communities. Mayroon tayong mga meetups, mayroon tayong mga trainings face-to-face, and regularly mayroon tayong webinar. Gaya ngayon, mayroon ka, naka-attend ka na. Pero guys, iba yung VIP community kasi doon namin ituturo yung mga strategies. Doon talaga. Walang filter doon sa VIP community namin. Doon natin ituturo yung mga strategies. Alright? So, to sum it up, guys, no? Lahat ng mga cheat codes dito, okay, yung mga cheat codes na nandito, live trading, this one is AI pattern scanner, Manara, lahat yan, ma-access mo yan, guys, if you upgrade to VIP. VIP community, ma-access mo. AI trading natin, Manara, itong mga, lahat yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung chart mastery, okay, tapos yung gold scalping, group coaching, lahat yan, guys, ma-access mo kapag mag-upgrade ka ng VIP community. So, guys, magkano kaya yung enrollment kapag ka ganitong information, ganitong klaseng mga courses, mayroon na siyang kasamang strategy, mayroon na siyang kasamang mga master traders, mayroon na siyang kasamang mga tools and AIs. Magkano kaya ang willing mong ibayad para matuto ka? Magkano kaya ang willing mong ibayad kung ang potential mong kikitain, nakikita ka ng 100,000 in 1 week? Okay? Can you type in the chat box kung magkano? Kasi when I started, guys, akala ko talaga that it's 150,000 to start. Kasi I'm an entrepreneur. What kind of business yung bigyan mo lang ako ng capital na 50,000? What kind of business? Maybe siguro mga decent business, mga 200,000. Yun nga, ang tanong ko, kung ganito kaganda yung training at ganito kalaki yung kikitain mo, ganito kadami yung access na makukuha mo, magkano kaya? Ako yung nagtanong, tinanong niyo rin ako. Paano kayo matuto? 80,000, 100,000. Okay? Di ba? 10K, so cheap. 5K, so cheap. Go out. Wala kang mahanap, guys. Kung mayroon kang mahanap na 5K, it's only 2 days. Ganitong klaseng training. 2 days lang, 1 day lang. Kung mayroon kang mahanap, walang mga tools at walang mga AIs. Sa atin is grabe, di ba? Fully loaded. 350, 150, tama yun. Kasi you need to invest for you to harvest. Hindi pwedeng mag-harvest lang, hindi magtatanim. Hindi ko po alam. Okay, sige. So, guys, bigyan lang kita ng idea. Bigyan lang kita ng idea. Sa ibang company ho, for you to enroll, trading alone, hindi kasamang tools. You need to spend 1,499. 1,499 or 70,000 pesos. 1,799 USD ha, USD. This is another company. Hindi pa kasama yung mga AI tools, guys. Dito is course lang ng Forex at crypto. Course lang ng Forex at crypto, hindi pa kasama. So ganoon, bakit siya mahal? Kasi yun nga, this is the highest high paying skills. Kapag ka alam mo na kagaya ni Ma'am Jed, kaya mong kitain in 4 hours. Ganito kalaki yung pwede mo kitain. Highest paying skills. Mga traders. Dati mo nasa Wall Street lang sila. Ngayon, nandito na sa kahit saan na because of the digital. Okay. So ito na guys, sa atin guys is yung package natin guys is for you to access that one, you need to pay 645 USD. And that's very cheap. Who's willing to pay 645 USD? Mag-aaral ka for 6 months? At guys, take note. Ito lang naman yung pwede mong kitain. Pag alam mo na, pwede mong i-ROI yan in 4 hours. Sige nga, who's willing? Who's willing to invest? Who's willing to pay? Who's willing to pay? By the way, mayroon din tayong copy trade. Ang copy trade natin is AI. Okay, AI. Goes to profit. Yes, tama. Yung sa iba, nagka-copy trade sila. Okay. Ako, you're willing. Tama. Ito yung mga willing. Ito alam ko, ito yung magiging successful. Ito yung profitable. Because like I said, dito mo malalaman kung sino yung medyo risk taker talaga. Kung sino yung, guys, ang success, gusto mo maging 1% of the rich people in the Philippines? Ang issue actually hindi pera. Ang issue actually is yung tapang na loob. Kasi wala ako nakita ng successful na mahina ang loob. Dito, hindi pwedeng mahina ang loob. Okay. Dapat tapangan mo lang yan. Okay. Dapat tapangan mo lang. Okay. So that's 149. Wala na yon. That's phase out. Tapos na yung promo na yon. 100. Wala nang 149. 645 na. Phase out na. Okay. Phase out na yon. Dati pa yon. It's so cheap. Ganito kalaki yung kitain mo. Ganito kalaki yung ma-withdraw mo. Diba? Pero buti na lang, may tinatawag tayo na second chance. Guys, magbabago yung natin guys in the next few weeks or the next few months. Mababago yung enrollment natin guys, magmamahal na ito. So if I were you, meron pa pala payment option number 2. Pero 1 month mo itong aralin. Kanina 6 months yun. 1 month mo itong aralin. And then next month, mag-subscribe ka ng 99 if you want to continue. If you don't want to continue, kasi alam mo na, walang problema. Pero madali lang naman ito. Ang goal natin guys is for 1 month, kikita ka na ng 149. Or kikita ka na at least 100 USD para may pangbayad ka sa subscription. Yun lang. Ganun lang siya kadali, which is maraming nakakuha. Alright? So kung may mga questions, further questions kayo guys, ask you lang yung someone na nag-add sa inyo sa GC. Because sasabihin ko sa iyo, please, uulitin ko. Ngayon, ituturo namin sa inyo, tapos na ako kung paano mag-trade, execute. And then when you know, kung alam mo na kung paano mag-trade, please, huwag kang mag-trade kung wala kang tools. Huwag kang mag-capital. You can do demo, but huwag kang mag-capital kung hindi ka mag-enroll. Kasi itong 149, yun yung magsisave sa capital mo. Kasi delikado to mag-trade ka. Kanina actually na mag-message sa akin, sabi niya, Coach, okay lang ba mag-capital ako to 2,500? Sabi ko, is that peso or USD? Sabi niya, USD. Sabi ko, ay may pera. Pero hindi lang ako maghalata. Okay, nice. Hindi lang ako nagpahalata sa kanya. Okay. So sabi ko lang, okay, that's good. Okay. But let me ask you something. Nakapag-ano ka na ba? Meron ka bang strategies? Nakapag-enroll ka na ba? Sabi niya, hindi pa. Bro, sabi ko, bro, kahit may malaki kang capital, bro, can I give you a piece of advice? Huwag kang munang magkapital ng malaki hanggat hindi ka pa mag-enroll. Hanggat hindi mo pa alam. Hanggat wala ka pang tools. Okay? Kasi, baka magkaroon ka ng problema in the future. Okay? Baka nagkaroon ka ng problema in the future. Kasi kung hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo, kung hindi ginagawa mo, delikado yung capital mo. Alright guys, punta na tayo sa trade execution. Can you type buy if you want to buy tonight? Can you type sell if you want to sell tonight? It's not about money, it's about skills. Kasi madali lang yan talaga. Please, 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 huwag kang mag-capital kung hindi ka mag-enroll. I will promise you, delikado yung capital mo. Okay? Buy, sell. So, hindi na natin patagalin na. Ready na ba, guys? By the way, pwede mong i-ready. Teka, paano mo isabay? Yung pag-buy at trade mo. I think you can do both. Or you can makinig ka lang. Paano mo isabay what? Or kung dalawa yung may laptop ka, may cellphone ka, pwede. Okay? Pwede mong, kung kaya sa gadget mo, pwede mong ipagsabay. Or pwede kang mag-follow through sa kanya. Kung wala naman, don't worry, may record naman ito. Bukas, ipopost ko para pwede mong i-review. So, we will be talking about trade execution, paano mag-buy, paano mag-sell, paano i-connect. So, ladies and gentlemen, ready ka na, Coach? So, ita-transfer ko sa inyo. Magsishare siya sa cellphone niya. So, guys, cellphone muna for today. Kasi yung cellphone kasi is yun yung pinaka-commonly used. 90% gumagamit ng cellphone for trade. Advantage ng cellphone kahit saan ka. Kahit nasa SM ka, nasa mall ka, basta may internet, pwede ka makapag-trade. Yun yung advantage. And then kung may kailangan kang i-close, kailangan ka mag-open, pwede kasi hawak-hawak mo lang. Okay? Kasi kung laptop, kailangan pang umuwi. Kung may emergency ka na i-close. Diba? Kailangan pang umuwi. Anyway, without much further ado, guys, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome sa 138 participants natin tonight. Tuturuan ka namin kung paano mag-execute ng trades. No? Live. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Coach JL Nika. Oh, wait.
All right. Hi guys, good afternoon. So, sa mga nag-attend kagabi, I believe na nakagawa na po tayo ng demo account no sa VT Markets. So once nakagawa na po tayo ng demo account sa VT Markets, meron pong email na darating sa inyo. So kindly check your email guys. Hi ma'am, drink. Good evening. Can you check your email? May message si VT Markets sa inyo. So nakalagay dun guys. Waiting for the share screen. All right. Can you see my screen, guys? So, here, ganito po yung makikita nyo sa Gmail nyo. So, guys, if nakita nyo na, type 1. Type 1 para makasunod kayo. So, while opening your Gmail, I would go to MetaTrader. So, guys, MetaTrader nga pala is an online trading platform. So noon guys, pag magte-trade tayo, no, kailangan pa tayo merong direct contact sa New York, sa Wall Street, or tatawagin mo pa yung broker. So ganun ka hirap mag-trade noon at hindi siya accessible sa ordinaryong tao kagaya natin or retailers. So usually yung trading talaga ay institutional. So ganun kahirap mag-trade before guys in the old times. But ngayon meron ng online. So MetaTrader 5 is an online app, no, trading platform to open a trade for us. So I will now connect my VT Markets broker to MetaTrader 5. So, coach, saan ba makukuha yung MetaTrader 5? Simple lang, dun lang sa Google Play. Google Play lang, guys. So, ayan. So, dito, pagka-open mo ng MetaTrader 5, merong message dyan. Click nyo lang yung accept. Okay? So, na-click ko na siya kanina. Tapos, merong plus sign katabi ng pencil na symbol. Click nyo lang yan. Naka-quotes pala. Ito pala sa gitna. Okay, add trading account, yung sa gitna na plus. And then find broker type nilang CVT Markets. Ayan. So once na-click mo na yon, ilalagay mo lang yung login, password, at server. Alright, while I'm doing my connecting my VT Markets, you can also do yours. Inahanap ko lang yung password ko. Ito. Okay, yung login ko dito ay 9159. Make sure lang guys na yung information or data ay tama kasi minsan yung iba nag-e-error, meron pa lang na miss out na isang character or kulang pala yung password na nilagay. So, ganyan lang, double check lang po natin. So, dito sa server, make it sure nakalagay ay VT Markets Demo. So pag VT Markets Live yung nakalagay, hindi po yan maging successful kasi demo account yung ginawa niyo. Pero pag once ready na kayo, halimbawa nakapag-enroll na kayo at ready na kayo mag-live, you can choose the live. But it has different live account. So hindi po siya same ng login at password. So let's go, let's do this. Login po tayo. Let's wait for a while. So guys, nakasunod ba yung iba? Bago din yung demo ko eh, no connection. Bakit naman? All right. What? So no connection. Yung iba naka-login ba? Yung iba? No, no connection sa akin. Okay. No connection ako eh.
Guys, common issue talaga itong paano anong tawag nito, paano i-link yung broker mo to your anong tawag nito, to your MT5. So ang gagawin mo diyan is go to MT5. I hope I can mayroon ako kasing existing trade kasi nagti-trade kasi ako sa cellphone ko. So ito pala yung trade ko today, guys. Ito, kita niyo ba? Okay. So, while Coach Nika is while Coach Nika is checking his personal kasi may mga personal 'yan, 'di ba? Syempre makikita nakalink ka na? So, guys, ganito 'yan, guys. Ito yung trade ko pala today. Today, nakita niyo ba? Today. So, ang gagawin ko to, i-ano ko to, paano ba to? Mirror? Makita ba yung hindi makano. Yan yung i-click ko yung today, guys. Today. I-click ko yung today. Wala na, pumasok na si Coach Nika.
So guys,
send ko na lang sa GC mamaya.
guys, mas safe talaga i-copy paste kasi tinype ko lang siya eh. So copy paste niyo na lang. So once naka-login na kayo sa VT Markets demo nyo, punta lang kayo sa quotes, no? So ito na yung MetaTrader. Dito. Dito sa plus, tapos type nyo lang VT Markets. Kailangan i-type kasi nakita niyo yung loading. Yung iba kasi pinindot na nila yung VT Markets agad. So minsan nag-error. So kailangan yung i-type talaga para makita yung refresh. So at least may idea kayo. Or kung hindi talaga pumapasok, kagaya nung kanina, tinype ko lang. Baka nagkamali ako pag-type. So ginawa ko na lang talaga is copy-paste. So yan, nandito na yung demo natin, no? Nakalagay dyan yung whole name, tapos yung demo amount. So 1,000 USD. Dito sa quotes, napansin nyo, hindi po siya naka-dark or hindi po siya blackened yung font, yung GBP USD, meaning hindi po kayo makakapag-trade, no? Ma-frustrate lang kayo dyan. Nakasabi trading disabled. So, para makapag-trade kayo, punta na lang po kayo dito sa plus, sa taas, katabi ng pencil symbol. So, click nyo lang yan, and then type nyo, halimbawa, GBP USD. So, ganyan guys. So, click nyo lang yan. Sa mga iPhone na interface, click nyo lang yung button na kulay green sa left side. So, maliit lang yon. So, click nyo lang yon. So, ayan na, lumabas na sa baba, no? GBP USD. So, here's the one method to trade po. So, your chosen pair, halimbawa si XAU USD, ilong press niyo lang yan, tapos new order, tapos makikita mo dito guys, market execution. So dalawa lang yung market execution or order. Dalawa lang yan. So type niyo sa chat box So that would be buy and sell. So ganyan lang ka-easy guys, dalawang market execution lang. So this market execution get you instant execution on your trades, market orders or market execution. So sa baba makikita nyo, merong sell, merong buy. So yan yung pipindutin mo. Or sa iPhone sa taas nakalagay sell at buy. So pwede mong lagyan muna ng TP, gumagalaw na yung market, no? Yung gumagalaw dyan na red at saka blue, yan po yung current price. So, halimbawa, yung buy yung gagawin natin. So, if bias nyo po ay bullish, so yung gusto mong gawin ay buy. Kasi nga, bullish yung trend. Diba? So, kung ilalagay natin dito, wag yung current price 3079. So, gawin natin is 30 pataas, 83. So sa SL naman, which is tinatawag nating stop loss, ito ay yung order para in case na nag-negative na or hindi mo nakuha yung bias, at least pag mag-negative, safe ka kasi nilagyan mo ng SL. So meaning hanggang dun lang yun, yung pag-negative mo or may harang. So isa siya sa tinatawag nating risk management. Kaya nga tinatawag si trading na parang science in trading kasi hindi siya sugal. Meron kasing risk management. So isa na dun ay si stop loss. So ayan, ilagay natin 3075. Super ano na. Okay, buy tayo. So ayan guys, na-execute na yung trade natin. Meron pala akong old na na-execute. So na-execute na po yan. Automatic, once mag-click mo yung buy, meron na po kayong trade. So ito, floating trade pa lang to, hindi ka pa po kumikita dyan kasi floating pa. Pero once na-close mo na, meaning kumita ka na. So try nating i-close yung sa taas. Kasi I think walang TP to sa akin kasi nag-practice ako. So, long press lang guys, tapos close position. Close with profit. Ganun lang. So, kumita ka na ba? Yes, kumita ka na. Kasi ito, close mo na 42.07. Meron ka ng $42 guys. But since demo trading lang to, so practice lang to siya. Hindi to po real money. Pero sa pag-practice mo ng demo trading, dyan mo makikita kung gaano ka na kahiyang. Alam mo na ba yung buy? Alam mo na ba yung sell? No? Nakuha mo na ba yung timing? Kaya magandang pag-aralan si Forex kasi hindi mo na need agad-agad live account. Kahit demo, pwede mo nang aralin. So, dito, balik tayo sa quotes, gumawa na tayo ng buy trade or buy execution or buy order. Ngayon, gagawa naman natin is next, sell. Of course, sell. So if yung bias mo naman ay bearish, so gagawin mo ay sell, no? So sa TP kanina 308 something yung TP natin. So lower the current price yung gagawin natin. Feeling ko nakakasunod yung trend sa atin nagbe-bearish din. 30 diba? 3074. Lapitan lang natin para makita ninyo. 3083. Okay, automatic nagte-trade ka na dyan. So lumabas dito sa trade sa baba, no? Katabi ng charts. Ayan. Sell na. Okay, negative pa siya. So once ma-hit yung 3074, automatic magko-close na po yan. Okay? Sa charts, kaya pala hindi siya walang trading line. Change natin. Naka Euro USD pala. Euro USD to XAU USD. So ayan, nakita niyo yung line. Yung kanina by 0. Yung noon by 0.01. So yan yung ginawa nating trade. So yung TP natin sa sell ay 3074. So if yung current price or current candle ay gagalaw pababa at ma-hit si 3074, automatic yung trade mo ay magko-close. So kumita ka ba? Yes or no? Kumita ka kasi nag-hit si 3074. So while waiting na mag-hit, no? Kung hindi naman, so yung buy sa taas, 3083. Kung babalik si candle na magbo-bullish. Okay? So, yan pong isang way sa pagte-trade. So, that is the slower way. But here, ituturo ko paano yung mas, kung tinatawag nila parang keyboard warriors or ana-ana ba, dali ra kaayo, mabilisan, ganon. So, para ma-execute natin yung mabilisan na paraan, meron pong symbol dyan sa taas, yung katabi, yung parang battery. Click niyo lang po yan. Okay, lumabas na yung sell at buy. Yan. Ito na yung exciting part. So, merong mag-pop up yan. Do you allow or do you accept? So, click nyo lang, I allow. I allow one-click trading. So, ang tawag dito guys is one-click trading. Bakit? Once i-click si buy, ayan, magte-trade na yan. Okay, click ko pa, isa. So, dalawang click yung ginawa ko. So, dalawang layer ang tawag doon. Dito tayo sa trade. So yan, bago yan yung ginawa kong trade, no? Buy 0.01 at isang buy 0.01 sa baba. So ganun lang ka-easy guys. Meron na po tayong trade. Sige coach, i-try natin yung sell. Alright, dito tayo sa charts. So kahit current bias natin is bullish eh. Pero okay lang, try lang natin. So pipindutin ko si sell. Okay, may lumabas sell 0.01 done. So sa baba, sa pinakababa, automatic nagtitrade na po kayo. So coach, paano ba yung mabilisan? Simple lang, pindot ka lang dyan, sell, sell. And then pag makita mo merong blue, tulad nito, close position, tapos close with profit. Ganyan lang. Mas madali din itong tatlong dot sa taas, ito tatlong dot sa taas ang 41.82. Tapos, close all positions. Meaning, magko-close yan, negative or positive. And then, kung close for profitable positions naman, meaning lahat ng profitable positions ay magko-close din. And then, close losing positions. Ayaw mo na, gusto mo nang matulog or wala, para sa'yo, you're done with your trade. No? Kasi hindi naman lahat sa lahat ng panahon ay perfect. Merong days na talaga gloomy days, meaning hindi para sa Okay? So normal lang 'yan kasi ganyan naman talaga. Hindi naman 100% perfect. So close mo na lang kung gusto mo ng you're done of the day na. Kasi merong tinatawag na trading rules. Ibang traders at mostly sa traders merong trading rules. Halimbawa, wag kang mag-trade kung may high impact news and you're trading lang 2 trades a day. Si Abdallah guys, napaka-amazing kasi 2 trades a day lang siya, 2 to 3 trades and kukuha siya ng kita doon lang sa 9:30 PM. Yan po yung ginagawa ni Coach Nars. So sa mga busy, halimbawa 5 to 15 minutes lang yung kaya mong i-allot, no? Hindi mo na iisipin yung saan ka mag-buy, saan ka mag-sell kasi andyan na yung live trading for you. Andyan na si Abdallah. I-open mo na lang si Zoom mo at andun na, magsasabi na siya, okay, dito kayo mag-buy, okay, dito kayo mag-sell, no? So of course, kung baguhan pa, hindi mo talaga mapindot, okay lang yan kasi bago ka pa naman. Pero sa inyong pagtitrain, sa inyong pagpa-practice, makukuha mo yan, no? Na-amaze nga ako kasi yung 67 years old na tinuruan ko nung una, hindi pa niya makuha. Pero and the later on, sa pagpa-practice niya, naka-earn na siya ng $200 in a day, no? So, kung kaya nila, kaya mo din. So, ayan, may blue na, no? Long press mo lang. Halimbawa, dito sa taas, long press mo lang, tapos close position. Close with profit. So, guys, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang kumurot ng dollar, guys, sa pag-trade. Ganyan lang ka-easy. So, I encourage you guys, if you really want to learn more, kasi para sa akin yung pag-trade is a journey. Hindi mo naman yan makukuha agad. Pero once nag-invest ka sa sarili mo, once nag-enroll ka, once na nasa VIP community ka at may mag-guide sa inyo, mas mapapadali na lang yung trading journey mo, no? No, you cannot allow a 16 years old to drive a Ferrari, no? Kasi hindi pa nga siya wala pa siyang alam hindi pa siya nagti-train, no? Hindi pa siya licensed and all. So, sa inyo before kayo mag-trade, dapat gumamit kayo ng tools, gumamit kayo ng paraan, no? Mag-invest sa sarili niyo. Pinaka first talaga na goal na ginawa ko guys is I see this an education for myself. No, 4 years tayo sa school, 5 years tayo sa school, meron pang apprenticeship, meron pang on-the-job training. Pero yung pwede mong kitain sa trading compare dun sa years na pinag-aralan mo ay super layo po. Forex guys is a high paying skill, no? So, share ko lang din yung journey ko guys. Sa pag-start ko ng Forex talaga dito sa economy, wala talaga akong pang-invest guys. Ito talaga, sasabihin ko talaga sa inyo. Maswerte kayo kung meron kayong pang-enroll or pang-invest. Kasi sa akin, sa part ko, wala po akong pang-invest. So yung ginawa ko guys, kasi nakita ko yung opportunity dito, yung ginawa ko guys, binenta ko yung camera ko. No? Kasi para sa akin, ipapalampasin ko to, baka makalimutan ko, bukas makalimutan ko na, next week makalimutan ko na, maiba na yung, ma-divert na yung focus ko at hindi ko na mabigyan ng oras yung pagte-train or pagbibigay ng forex training sa buhay ko. So yung ginawa ko guys, ano lang, sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I want to learn trading and if I want to learn this high paying skill, I know dapat kong i-sacrifice yung camera ko. Yung camera ko kasi is parang part na sa life ko ba. Kung merong musician, yan yung mga instruments nila sa akin. As a photographer, yan yung camera ko. So binenta ko guys at nag-enroll ako sa economy. So once pag-enroll ko sa economy, inisip ko talaga sa sarili ko na kung nakaya kong gumawa ng Netflix, no, nanood ng Netflix, ayan, nag-TP na. So, kung kaya kong mag-Netflix guys at K-drama ng ilang hours or ilang days, alam kong makakaya kong panoorin si ECA, which is the Economic Calibrated Academy, alam kong makakaya ko yan. So, yung una pa guys, alam nyo, parang ang bobo ko, yung pagla-learn ko ng camera, ako lang yung nag-learn YouTube University lang, tapos community din. Pag nood ko sa ECA, yung about sa trading, ang bago pa pala dito sa akin, yung alam ko lang na buy and sell, pumunta sa merkado or sa grocery, yun lang yung basic na alam ko. Pero, nung binigyan ko yung sarili ko, sabi ko, one week to 2 weeks, I will learn this. So, nung first na demo ko, 1 to 3 days lang guys. No, 1 to 3 days lang. 80 to $100 yung nahihit ko. So sabi ko, okay na to. Sa akin yon kasi iba din yung learning curve ko eh. Iba-iba tayo eh. Kung nakuha niya ng madali, okay. Yan yung learning curve niya. Sa iba, medyo matagal, okay lang kasi nag-invest ka sa sarili mo, yan yung pinaka-important. Pero nakita nyo naman guys, madali lang naman nito. Kagaya nito, nag-blue na siya. Nag-cheka-cheka lang tayo or nag-usap lang tayo dito. So, i-close ko na to. Close with profit. Ito din. Close position, close with profit. So, nag-try lang ako guys. Nag-invest lang ako, nag-sacrifice lang ako. At yun, in one day sa live trading ko, nag-earn naman ako ng $100. So, kung tatanungin nyo guys sa akin, sulit ba yung enrollment na 149? Yes, sulit na sulit kasi in my first live trade, naka-earn po ako ng $100. So kahit inisip ko noon, kahit $2 or $3 lang, basta naging profitable ako, okay na ako. Okay ako dyan. Kasi nga, pwede mo naman yung i-leverage, di ba? Yung pinaka first thing na dapat kong matutunan is yung skill. Forex is a high-paying skill. So kung meron ka ng skill, guys, at binigyan mo pa ng investment sa sarili mo through enrollment, at saka nag-earn ka pa, so sulit na sulit talaga yung $149. So, yan lang yung share ko ngayon. Yun lang guys, dalawang execution lang talaga, market execution. Buy lang at saka sell.
Alright, guys, grabe. Madali lang talaga matutong mag-trade. Technically, it's very easy kung paano mo wait spotlight ko muna yung sarili ko.
Stop ko to.
Okay. Okay, yan. Okay. So napakadali lang talaga, guys. mag-trade, pindot-pindot lang. Actually, ang mahirap diyan kung paano ka maging profitable sa forex trading. Okay. Guys, ganito, kasi ganito 'yan. Sa nalibog gamay. Okay, guys. Pasensya na po sa mga Tagalog. Ang libog po sa amin sa mga Bisaya is nalito lang. Sa inyo, iba na yung pakiramdam nyo. So, normal lang yung malilibog o malilito talaga sa start kasi wala namang wala namang nag-practice ng pag-drive ng sasakyan. Yung pag-upo niya sa sasakyan, alam niyo na. Wala namang nag-practice ng bike na pag ano dyan sa upo niya sa bisikleta, alam na. Kasi ito yung tinatawag niya skills. Importante, congratulations, nag-start ka na. Kaya congratulate yourself, nag-start ka na. Ibig sabihin, nag-start ka yung journey mo. Kaya tinatawag na journey. Okay guys, ganito, before natin i-close to, I want to maximize your time. Kasi nandito lang kayo, I want you to magbigay ako ng bonus guys. Okay. Actually guys, may bonus guys sa community natin. Ganito kasi sa community. Una, doon tayo sa papunta sa General GC. Pagka medyo you want to explore more and ready na po kayo, pag-enroll nyo, pupunta kayo sa VIP GC. Sa mga VIP GC naman, maganda din doon kasi lahat doon nagtitrade. Lahat doon, most of them mga newbie. Tapos, from there, yung mga nag-enroll, mamimili ako guys yung mga interested talaga. Gumagawa ako ng mga tinatawag na inner circle ko, which is dinidevelop ko sila na maging coach. So, mayroon kaming tinatawag na weekly coaching, regular meet-up, para mas magaling talaga. Now, yung mga mostly nagka-resulta talaga doon. Yung mga most majority doon is yung mga nasa inner circle ko kasi sinishare namin. And also guys, we share din namin sa inyo if you want to explore more. Forex kasi business. Hindi lang kasi, si Forex kasi hindi lang kasi trading yung way na para kumita ka. Meron ding tinatawag na affiliate, meron ding IB. Now, if you're interested about that one, sa community ko, sa inner circle ko, tinuturuan ko sila kung paano mag-grow yung IB. Okay, kasi malaki ding income yung IB, guys. Like me, we're planning to have a weekend getaway with my family kasi long weekend. So, kanina, nag-withdraw lang ako. I think some of you, sa IB na yon. Initial lang yun. I think mga 1 day or 2 days ko lang nakita sa IB ko yun. So, nag-withdraw ako ng, pinakita ko, I think 600 USD. Doon sa VT Market, instant yun doon sa GC, pinakita ko. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano dyan, mag-trade, mag-IB, anything, as long as you are willing talaga na matuto. Kasi ito naman, itong business na ito is, basta willing ka talaga, you can never get wrong. You can never get wrong. But the most important thing you should do if you want to seriously earn in Forex trading at kumita, kagaya ng mga kinita namin, the most serious thing to do is to enroll. Guys, magkano lang yaman yung 149? Not hindi man yan umabot ng 10,000 pesos. And then kung mag-business ka, ano mo yung business na mapupunta po sa 10,000 pesos? And ang ganito kalaki yung potential na kitikita na pinapakita namin sa inyo. Imagine, di ba imagine, magkano lang naman yun yung peso? Ay, hindi ko sasagutin yan, Liz. That's a very simple question. Kung magkano in peso. So, sa Forex kasi dapat hindi tayo spoon feeding talaga. Dapat gawin namin yung part mo namin, pero gawin mo rin yung part mo. Okay? You do that. That's a simple simple multiplication. Okay. Now, I'm sorry if you get offended, but that's how it is. No? And that's business. Sa business po, hindi siya spoon feeding. Anyway, sa pag-enroll po and enroll and learning, tama ho yan. So, iba-iba yung learning phase sa pag-enroll. Mayroong 2 weeks lang, mayroong 2 days nga lang, 3 days, kumita ka agad. Kasi iba-iba yung time. Yung iba, mas mataas yung time nila sa pag-google. Yung iba naman, ano lang. But the good thing about this one, that even you are working, nakita nyo naman, mostly employed naman yun. Si Ma'am Jed is full-time employee sa UAE, di ba? So, hindi seryoso hindi normal yung trabaho doon, seryoso talaga yung trabaho doon. So, walang problema. May record ba? Yes, may record. At bukas, I think bukas ng afternoon, yung dalawang record, day 1 at day 2, ibibigay ko dun sa mga GC. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-attend sa GC, guys, hindi kayo manghinayang kasi kung alam mo na kung paano mag-trade, isang araw lang naman yan sa inyo. Isang araw. And for me, this is an answered prayer. May marami dito kasi sa community na nakakilala na sa akin. Okay, kaya MJ Canoy, kilala sa akin to personally. Si JL, kasi si JL pamangkin ko yan, si Coach JL. Si Architect Mike Lim, magkaibigan kami dati, nagsama kami dati sa training sa community. So, ang business guys naman talaga is ano lang, hindi pwedeng palakasan lang talaga ng loob guys. Palakasan lang ng loob. Marami na tayong beses na inopilot na business, marami ng trees na ginawa natin. We never know, baka ito yung answered prayer kasi ito talaga is answered prayer sa akin. I was financially struggling really last year to the point na nabita ko na yung 2 sasakyan ko, bahay ko. Pinakalas na binita ko guys, bahay. Pero grabe si Lord, dito kami nakapag-recover sa Forex journey namin. Alright? So Q&A guys, before we will close this one kasi magti-trade pa tayo. Pero actually ako, quota na ako eh. Ito yung trade ko. Oy. Okay ha. Guys, ito yung trade ko. Kanina mga 500 lang to. I-click ko itong today. Today. So makita ko magkano yung trade ko today. Alright. Kanina 500 lang to pero nag-TP kasi si Bay, nag-TP. Okay, hindi ba klaro? Okay. O yan. Medyo na klaro na. So ganun lang guys. Siyempre at first, you need to invest on your learning. You need to invest on at first, and then after that, pwede ka nang pwede ka nang tuloy-tuloy mo na yung pagti-trade mo. Alright? For me, Forex is sagot sa prayer ko kasi milyon na rin ang nawala. Yes! Alam mo guys, kagaya ng any other business, pag open tayo ng business, malaking, grabe. Traditional business guys, 200,000, mahirap. Kahit even 1 million, o sa Bisaya, paalang-alang yung mga capital, mahirap. Kailangan talaga mas maganda yung capital mo. Anyway, guys, continue with the journey. If you're not ready to invest or yet, it's okay. Just part of our community. Every Thursday, guys, may training tayo, you can join. Okay? Every Thursday yan, may training tayo, you can join. And umabot yung time that you are ready, feel free. Mangyari kasi dyan, guys, kung mag-enroll ka, how to enroll, i-message mo yung taong nag-add sa inyo sa GC. Okay? Tapos, ibibigay namin yung link. Okay, hindi nyo ibibigay yung pera sa amin, ibibigay namin yung link. Kayo mismo magabayad. And after that, i-guide namin kayo step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step by step talaga. So, kung nahihirapan ka, pwede kang magtanong sa akin, pwede kang magtanong dun sa mga coaches or someone na nag-add sa iyo sa GC. Make sure guys, kapag nag-enroll ka, make sure you ask your sponsor, yung coach na ka-assign sa iyo na, Coach, please add me to VIP. Baka makalimutan ka. Kasi doon sa VIP, doon, pwede ka lang magtanong doon. Anything. Kasi most them nandun is kasi same story sa'yo na nag-start din. So, mayroon kang kasama sa trading journey mo, mayroon kang knowledge, mayroon kang tinatawag nito, mayroon kang tools na mababaon mo sa trading journey mo. So, it's not guaranteed 100% just like any other business na hindi lahat nag-open ng business na maging milyonaryo. But guys, ano na naman yung mawawala sa 149 you? This could be, ito na yung answered prayer na kagaya ko at maraming tao na naging answered prayer. Dumating yung time, lahat gusto na maging forex trading. Dati lahat gusto maging online seller. Ngayon lahat online seller na. Dati lahat gusto maging vlogger. Ngayon lahat vlogger na. Dumating yung time, lahat naging forex guys. Grabe, pahirapan na yung traditional business ngayon guys. Very strict na CBIR. Very strict na yung mga gobyerno. So, tapos yung laki na yung overhead expenses, guys. Consider this one. This could save you financially. Ano po yung monthly subscription? Yung monthly subscription, guys, is kung iisipin mo talaga, yung lahat na makukuha mo, yung 149 is very cheap for you to access all. So, actually, the concept is para siyang Netflix na mag-subscribe ka. Yung 149 is your first payment. And then if you want to continue, you want to continue with subscribe again by paying 99 USD. But that's optional kung ayaw mo na, you can stop kung alam mo na and then you don't want to continue the tools, you can stop anytime. Wala problema. Pero since kasi ang culture natin is ginagawa natin yung first month mo is ang goal natin is kumita ka at least 100 USD lang, makapag-break even ka. So kasi sa totoo lang, yung 99 na yan is isang araw lang na trade makukuha mo na. Alright? So I hope, klaro, thank you so much for joining us. I hope marami kayong natutunan guys for 2-day challenge. I-review nyo lang yun. So mayroon tayong theory, mayroon tayong application, and then mayroon tayong e-tools na ibibigay sa inyo. Nasa sa inyo na kung ano yung gagawin nyo sa opportunity na ibinigay sa inyo for the past 2 days. Nonetheless, in behalf of the Kabayan Traders Community, Bisaya Traders Community, and Pinoy Forex Community, this has been your the founder and co-admin of the community and the rest of the coaches that are here. Congratulations, and I'm so happy na naging bahagi kayo sa pag-share namin ng Forex journey namin at saka magiging Forex journey nyo na rin. Keep up guys, wag lang panghinaan ng loob. Kung babangon tayo, darating yung time talaga na makukuha natin or makapag-recover tayo. Okay? Pero kapag nag-stop tayo, wala, hanggang dun lang. So, ito is encouragement lang naman sa lahat na mayroon pang opportunity, mayroon ka pang maraming options na pwedeng gawin para po makagawa ng magandang result doon sa financial life mo. Thank you so much guys. God bless everyone. I love you all. God bless you all guys. Be active in GC, no problem. If you want to ask questions to the coaches na nagbigay sa inyo ng link or you can ask question guys, feel free. We are very friendly naman to answer. Kaya minsan, especially me, because grabe flooded ako ng messages guys everyday talaga. So, but I try my best na ma-answer lahat. Don't worry guys, i-answer ko na lahat talaga yan. So, yun yung pinaka main goal ko guys para at least mag-guide lahat. God bless you everyone. To God be the glory. Ingat po kayo palagi. Happy weekend guys. Happy weekend.